Good day, Dr. Charlie and everyone. My name is Hee. Today, I'm going to present the improving organizational and community responses to climate change through design thinking. Let's find out how organizations and communities can improve in responding to climate change with the help of a new approach called design thinking. This presentation will guide you through the context research process, the repositioning of the challenge and the solution, a digital sustainability toolkit. This toolkit is built to fill information gaps and barriers that currently limit the potential for affordable and efficient climate action across many different types of actors. Global warming is one of the things that could not wait to happen, for it has deep implications on the environment and the economy. Some of the issues are supply chain disruptions, higher resource scarcity, and organizational reputational risk, among others. The World Economic Forum shows the climate action failure is among the most significant risks facing the world in the future, according to its 2023 Global Risk Report. The projected demographic is already experiencing increased energy prices, storms, and cyclones, and declining infrastructure standards. In order to counter these challenges properly, organizations and communities have to embrace sustainable, scalable, and place-based solutions. By so doing, they will prepare themselves for a shock to be faced, minimize the effect they have on the environment, and contribute to overall key climate change objectives. Innovation could be the engine towards the change from mitigative actions to preventative strategies to climate change. For organizations, this means winning the competition, or in other words, profiting at the expense of environment through using sustainable practices such as renewable energy and efficient resource usage. AI and artificial intelligence of things, which is IoT, are now being adopted for various climate change initiatives to futuristic economy as climate change technologies for better usage of energy and reduction of emitting carbon footprints. Besides, governments' policies and goals of net zero emission also promote the development of new technologies. The conclusion includes examples of communities, such as waste-to-energy projects, to show how individuals can support organizational approaches and preserve synergy. To solve such problems as climate change, it is necessary to adopt unconventional and inventive design involving the users. This can be done using design thinking, which is a well-thought-out process filled with iterations. Design thinking 5 phases of empathy: define, ideate, prototype, and test help organizations to approach the user needs appropriately and sustainably. Compared to conventional approaches, DT encourages innovation, iteration, and user involvement. Therefore, the approach can be perfect for designing climate measures that are effective and realistic. Our research uncovered 2 significant barriers to effective climate action. The first is a lack of awareness. Many organizations and communities are unaware of cost-effective sustainability practices, and also accessibility gaps. Financial and technology limitation hinders small and medium enterprises from adopting green solutions. A study revealed that lack of specialism was a problem of 65% of small and medium enterprises, while community stakeholders lack adequate funding and resources as far as climate projects are concerned. These gaps suggest the need to develop tools that enhance self-awareness and offer easy to implement and cost-effective solutions. So this survey is done by me. As you can see, 73.3% of organization communities cite lack of awareness and education. To validate these findings, I conducted interviews and surveys with stakeholders. Key insights included small medium enterprises reported financial and technical barriers as the primary obstacles. Communities express a strong demand for accessible tools and knowledge-sharing platforms. Stakeholders show high willingness to adopt low-cost, practical solutions if available. For instance, a business owner shared that energy-efficient practices seem overly complex and unaffordable, reinforcing the need of simplified, user-friendly tools. My research led us to refine the problem. Initially, I asked how my organizations or communities improve their responses to climate change. And this was referred to how my organizations and communities access affordable, practical tools for addressing climate change. This focused approach clarifies user needs and guides us towards creating feasible, scalable, and solutions. During ideation, we use techniques like Scamper and brain writing to brainstorm solutions. Top ideas included a digital toolkit with practical sustainability resources. Second, a community app linking users to local resources. And third is training programs to build climate action capacity. We evaluate these ideas for feasibility and user impact, ultimately focusing on the digital sustainability toolkits as the most practical and scalable solution. The Digital Sustainability Toolkit is designed to empower small and medium enterprises and communities by providing customizable solutions, templates for energy audits and waste reductions, and also interactive modules, easy to follow sustainability practices, and resource directory, grants, funding opportunities, and local initiatives. So this toolkit bridges awareness and accessibility gaps with cost-effective, actionable tools fostering meaningful climate actions. The toolkit offers multiple benefits: affordability, minimal resources required for implementation; accessibility, user-friendly design for non-experts; practicality, solution that can be implemented immediately; scalability, adaptable to various industries and communities. Lastly is educational value, interactive learning to enhance awareness. By addressing key barriers, this toolkit enables organizations and communities to drive measurable climate actions. I developed a prototype of the toolkit and gathered feedback from participants. Key feedback included a preference for simple interfaces, higher engagement with case studies and real-world examples, the need for locally relevant solutions. These insights refine the toolkit, ensuring it meets user needs and maximizes impact. Here are some photos from a poll I'm conducting. I made a Google Form questionnaire and conducted a brief conversation with them to discuss climate change and to get some feedback from them as well. There is a total of 30 participants. I want to express my gratitude for them and for taking the time to speak with me. I appreciated it. I'm not taking many photos because some participants don't want and are worried about their privacy. The solution integrates triple bottom lines, balancing people, planet and profit, and also resource-based view, leveraging internal strengths for sustainability, design thinking, empathy-driven, iterative problem-solving. These frameworks ensure the toolkits align with environmental and economic priorities. Key implementation steps include building partnerships with NGOs and government programs, driving adoption through awareness campaigns, offering training for SMEs, which is small and medium enterprises, and communities leaders, continuously refining features based on user feedback, measuring success through engagement and environmental impact metrics. The toolkits aim to enhance awareness of sustainability practices, boost adoption of cost-effective tools for climate actions, foster cooperation among businesses, communities, and policymakers, contribute to global climate goals such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. To conclude, climate change demands innovative and practical responses. The digital sustainability toolkit addresses critical gaps in awareness and accessibility with user-centered, actionable tools. Through design thinking, we have created a solution that is impactful, feasible, and adaptable. Together, we can drive meaningful progress in addressing climate change. Here are some references. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Have a good day.